Secretory vesicles are membrane-bound organelles that are involved in the transportation and secretion of proteins and other macromolecules from cells. They are typically formed in the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi complex and are then transported to the plasma membrane, where they release their contents into the extracellular environment. Secretory vesicles are essential for many physiological processes, including cell growth, differentiation, and communication. Secretory vesicles are small, spherical, membrane-bound sacs that are typically 50 to 100 nanometers in diameter. They are surrounded by a lipid bilayer that is composed of phospholipids and embedded proteins. The interior of the vesicles is filled with various macromolecules, including proteins, peptides, lipids, and hormones. Secretory vesicles perform several critical functions in cells, including protein secretion. Secretory vesicles are involved in the transport and secretion of various proteins from cells. Proteins that are destined for secretion are synthesized in the rough endoplasmic reticulum and then transported to the Golgi complex, where they are packaged into secretory vesicles. The vesicles then transport the proteins to the plasma membrane, where they are released into the extracellular environment. Many hormones, such as insulin, are secreted from cells via secretory vesicles. Hormones are synthesized in specialized cells and are stored in secretory vesicles until they are released into the bloodstream in response to various signals. Secretory vesicles also play a critical role in the recycling of membrane components. When cells secrete proteins or other macromolecules, the vesicle membrane becomes incorporated into the plasma membrane. Secretory vesicles are then recycled back to the Golgi complex, where they are disassembled and their membrane components are reused to form new vesicles. Secretory vesicles are essential for many physiological processes, including cell growth, differentiation, and communication. Dysfunctions in secretory vesicle formation or secretion can lead to a range of diseases, including diabetes, cystic fibrosis, and cancer. Basically, secretory vesicles are small, membrane-bound organelles that are involved in the transport and secretion of proteins and other macromolecules from cells. They perform several critical functions, including protein and hormone secretion and vesicle recycling. Secretory vesicles are essential for many physiological processes, and dysfunctions in their formation or secretion can lead to various diseases.